Today I'm painting the Chaos Knights from Vanguard of War's Chaos expansion. Hey, welcome back to the channel everybody, hope you're having a good day. So this is a Chaos Knight and he is primed with Chaotic Red. Figures Chaos. Anyways, this is only one of them that I'm showing, but as you saw in the picture at the beginning, I did paint all 5. And we're going to start off with a dry brushing of Astorath Red, which is a Citadel dry paint. And I'm using a dry brush for that. And I'm just going to get his cloak and the fur on his back, and that's pretty much it. Now, I was hoping that this was going to create the highlight I wanted when I do the wash later on, so I changed my technique on the future knights that I do by doing the highlighting after. So here comes this beautiful Elven Armour, which is a beautiful metallics blue paint from the Army Painter, which is in the metallics paint set that they have. The colors metallics paint set. Beautiful color, shines, just comes out. These guys' armor was just so nice to paint. Most of the miniature is this, so I will skip ahead of it at some point. For those of you who don't know what Vanguard of War is, it is a tower defense game where 4 heroes take on a bunch of minions, abominations such as the Chaos Knight, and overlords such as the Chaos King, which I've also done in a previous video. The link for that will be showing up soon. Anyways, so the point is that every round you prepare yourself to get an onslaught of minions and oncoming enemies who are going to attack the church, which is what it's called. It's the tower in the middle. And that's where you're going to defend, and you're going to attack, and you're going to roll dice. It's a great game. Eventually I might do a how to play that one. Now I'm going to use some Crushed Skull, which is a Zombicide Green Horde paint set. And you could also use Drake Tooth if you don't have that paint set. And this is just for the skulls on the shield and on his arm. He has this nice vicious looking skull there. I want to thank you guys again for watching and supporting the channel. I have recently added a Ko-fi website where you can go and actually donate if you wish to see more of my videos. Right now I'm trying to save up for a new microphone to be able to edit a little bit better. Anyways, now we're going to use some Gemstone, which is another beautiful metallics color, and this is just for the handle on his big mace. This thing is massive. Now we're going to use a little bit of Claymore blade from the Zombicide Black Plague set, or you can use plate mail metal if you don't have that one, or any other metal or shining silver or anything like that. And this is just for the chain linking up. Now when I put the tone on later on, it gets a little too dark, so I changed it up on the future minis. Now I'm using a D&D's Marvelous Pigments paint, which is Cursed Blade, and this is going to go everywhere else on this miniature's mace. Again, these minis are amazing. I have to say there are a lot of details, and sometimes I even notice so that there's a little bit of like residue left. You got to be careful with those, with the plastic sometimes hanging. So using a good file to get rid of them can clean them up really nicely. But the details, it's just there's a lot of details sometimes. Now we're gonna use some gun black from the Zombicide Invader set, or you can use also matte black or any other black you might have. And this is just going to be the stones on the ground. So we're going to go around, paint those up, and get those looking nice so that I can do a nice little dry brush of a little bit grayer after and make it look like real stones. Alright, so now I'm going to be using the dark tone all over the miniature pretty much, and like I said, I was hoping that dry brushing would kind of highlight, but the dark tone just took over it again. Still not bad, but I fixed it all up with the other minis after that. And if you want to see some of the pictures, follow me on my Instagram as well, and you'll see the other pictures of the Chaos Knights that I've taken. And if you're interested in joining my Discord channel, the link will be in the description. And if you also donate through that Ko-fi page, you automatically become a supporter in my Discord. There you'll see a little bit more pictures. You can vote on future projects. This was actually voted on by my Discord people in my channel. And this is one of the expansions they wanted to see done, so that's why I'm doing this now. We're just going to use a little bit of Mythical orange here in the skull that's on his hand, just to make it pop a little bit more his eyes, and his eyes themselves. So there we go. That is the Chaos Knight, well, one of them completed, and as I said at the beginning, I did complete all 5. Have a good day and get your miniatures to the table.